Hello, this is Brandy Lynn Hubbard, and today we will be creating a bibliography for a Chicago Manual Style research paper. As we learned in the last video, a bibliography can be quickly added to the end of our paper if we use parenthetical citations. We do this by selecting references in our toolbar, double checking that our style is set to Chicago, and then selecting bibliography and selecting it again. However, if our paper was using footnotes rather than parenthetical citations, we'll have to create our own bibliography. First, we want to add a title. Then we want to make sure this title is set to Times New Roman and that it's in 12-point font. Then we're going to go to Home in our toolbar and center it. Finally, we're going to hit Enter on our keyboard twice and then go back to Home and then bring our paper back to the left. Our sources will be listed by author's last name and be in alphabetical order. Since our example paper only used one source, we will be using example sources from chicagomanualofstyle.org, which is a website you can refer to for any additional questions that you may have that these videos haven't answered for you. So we're going to be adding our own source. The last name is Macmillan, so it's going to be in between the second and third sources that we have listed here. And when you write a source from a book, you want to start with the last name, comma, first name, period. Then you're going to add the book title. Period. Remember that book titles are always italicized, even in the sources. Next, we're going to add where it was published, and a colon, and who published it, and a comma, and the year it was published. Now, all of this information can typically be found within the first few pages of any book. Remember, had these sources been an article, periodical, poem, or website like this first one, it would have been in quotations rather than italicized. And there we have it, a properly formatted Chicago Manual Style bibliography. As always, please remember that your professors are there to help you. Never be afraid to reach out to them for clarification of their preferences.